everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and I have an unboxing to share with you today. This one is packaged in one of those bubble tubes. I remember somebody saying they didn't like them, but I like them because the diamond paintings come completely undamaged. I haven't had any problems in these tubes. See? Now I popped it so it's a little deflated, but yeah, I'm good like that. But looks to be in good shape. And I do enjoy it when things do their job. Alright, let's see. There it is. Get rid of the bubble tube. Here's the canvas and the drills and the toolkit. Start with the toolkit. It looks, oh, that's upside down. Looks pretty standard. It's a green boat with a cutout, a pink pen with a single tip and a 6 tip on the other side, tweezers, and a chunk of wax. Very standard. And this one is a 45 by 30. Oh, it's so pretty. This is like a watercolor. It has, I think these are roses. Oh, there's a lot of loose drills in there. See those? You know what that means. That means I'm going to have them all over my bed, and that this is going to be a project just to do the inventory, to keep all those drills in there and get them. I have these little, where are they? I can't see them. I have like little pot containers. They're like little tiny, like a lipstick pot. And I'll use one of those for something like this. Or you could use one of the little plastic bags that comes with some of the kits. Here's the image. It's like a beautiful jar and these watercolor, I want to say roses. They look almost like cabbage roses. They're open so much. Pink. I'll put the image up for you so you can take a look. I'll do the inventory on the drills. I can see there's some beautiful mauve and there's a lot of pinks and rose colors in there. So this will be a nice one to do. Those are my favorite colors, is the rose colors. Let's peel up the paper, see what's happening with the canvas. Oh, I knew it. It's lovely. It's just lovely. 45 by 30, full drill square. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? I like the shape of this jar too. The symbols are very clear. Will not be a problem. And the colors, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 colors. Mostly shades of pink and then a lot of background. And oh, I keep finding little drills on my bed. That means I'm sleeping in them. So there it is. Beautiful, beautiful floral. And if you enjoy florals like me, you will enjoy this one. It's a little long. Usually I get 40 by 30. It's 45 by 30. And I love that they did not cut off any of the picture to make this, which I think they do quite often, crop things down to fit better. That's it. If you like my videos, take a second and hit like. And if you subscribe and tap the little bell, you'll get notified when my new videos come out. That one is just beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I love my diamond paintings. I love doing diamond paintings, and I'm so happy to share it with you. It's so much fun. You take care. Have a great day. Take care of yourself and have fun diamond painting. Bye-bye.